they can come on up stage, is one of my old co-workers and friend, James AFN's dance group. They're called Miracle Drummers and Dancers. They're from the Palmer area, but originally they're from the southwestern region of Alaska. James, you can come on up. They still carry on the Yupik dancing tradition passed on from their elders, and their group was formed in 1994. They have really great regalia. They have headdresses made out of reindeer gruff, which you'll see in their crown, and then their dance fans are also made out of reindeer gruff, which is the front part of the caribou. Come on up.
You know, University of Alaska has produced a lot of good dancing groups. We saw in your UPEC last night. Man, weren't they good? Now, James Afghan is a graduate of the school, too. So we're all university alums, yeah. They're putting together a book, and it's going to be about that thick. So
yeah.
So we have James Afghan.
Oh, yeah. Quyana.